Hey, Room 63 bloggers. You might remember in the last lesson where we were learning how to create a post, and I showed you how to save your draft. Remember mine about a dog? Well, I'm going to show you how to get back into a post that maybe you were in the middle of and had to stop, or that you want to go back and fix up or make changes, revisions, or just reread before sending it to me. To go in and edit a post, first you need to find it on your dashboard and then click the post you want to fix. Up here is my editing button. So I'll go ahead and click there. And then suddenly I have all of these options again of draft, review, publish. And my post is down here ready to be changed up. Now, one thing I did before this recording is I typed up what I wanted to add. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste that in here. And now I'm going to reread it quickly. I want to space out my paragraphs a little bit better so it's easier for my reader. Okay. And some of the other things I can do is play around with the sizes of different parts of my blog post. So if I wanted to use some different craft moves, like maybe making some words bold or making something larger, like the font size, I can do that. I could also change the color of different fonts if I think that it's going to add in some way to how my piece is read. So, for instance, if you were writing something that had a lot of colorful words in it, you could change the colors of those words to make it more interesting for your reader. If I'm just changing the font for no real reason, it's not really helping my readers much. So, really kind of think about the choices you make when you use these different tools. So when I look at my first paragraph here, well, boys and girls from room 63, the Hubbard house is considering getting a new dog. I think that I'm going to make new bold and big. We call dogs boofers in our house. So I really should say a new boofer. And you know what? I think I'm going to underline that since it's kind of like it's a made up word in our family. So it's sort of like a vocabulary word about me, something that you now know about me that we call dogs boofers at our house. And then as I go through and as I look around the house, I realize we have a lot of work to do. Maybe there are some other things I could make bold or big. That's a craft move that writers use a lot to, show emphasis and maybe to get your reader to read something in a different way. Um, let's see. Whoops. I hope we can get ready soon. I think I'm gonna highlight this whole sentence because this is a really big hope and wish for me. I hope we can all get ready really soon. So I'm going to make that bold and big. Maybe one of my next posts will be an update on the doggy search, and I'll bold that too. All right. All right, I've made some little revisions and edits earlier. So I think I'm ready to publish. I have my title up at the top. I have my header image there. Everything looks great. So I'm going to save all of my changes. And I'm going to publish. And I'm going to send it to the teacher. And then, since you're students, the blog post will be then sent to me, and I can look it over and then decide if it looks like it's ready to go on our all of our hub for all of our blogs. Now, you'll notice down here is the commenting box, and that's what's coming up in the next video. So I hope you're ready.